They said Camp Nou would be ready in 2026, but will it? A lot has changed, and some major updates just dropped. New 360-degree LED panels, big construction progress, and a few surprises along the way. But there are also concerns, delays, rising costs, and tight deadlines. So, where do things really stand? Let's break it all down. The transformation of Camp Nou is in full swing. Over the past few weeks, construction crews have ramped up efforts to meet key deadlines, and we're seeing some major changes. First, the stadium's upper structure is taking shape fast. The installation of the new roof framework is now well underway, with massive steel beams being positioned to support what will be one of the most advanced stadium roofs in football. Once completed, this will protect fans from the weather while enhancing the stadium's acoustic atmosphere. Inside, the seating installation has entered a new phase. The lower tier sections are almost fully reassembled, and now, work is shifting toward the upper levels. More modern, comfortable seats are being installed, designed to improve visibility and fan experience. One of the biggest updates, the pitch area, is being prepped for its final touches. Grass installation is still months away, but the groundwork for an elite playing surface is well underway. The club is making sure the drainage and irrigation systems will be world-class to maintain perfect playing conditions year-round. Technology is also a big focus. The stadium's smart systems, including its high-tech lighting and massive 360-degree scoreboard, are in testing mode. This will make Camp Nou one of the most interactive and fan-friendly stadiums in the world. However, there are some concerns. Reports suggest that supply chain delays could slow down certain aspects of the project, particularly around imported materials for the stadium's facade. While the club remains confident in its timeline, any further disruptions could impact the official reopening schedule. Financially, costs continue to rise. What started as a €900 million project has already surpassed the initial budget, and additional expenses for final upgrades may still be coming. Despite this, Barcelona is pushing ahead, confident that the investment will pay off in the long run. Where does that leave us? Right now, Camp Nou's reconstruction is on track, but tight deadlines and external factors could still impact the final delivery date. The next few months will be crucial as Barcelona pushes to complete this massive project and give fans a stadium that matches the club's ambition. Subscribe for the latest updates on Camp Nou's progress. There's plenty more to come.